Okay, so I just want to do one shot here because my battery is running so fast. I've already do the 360. The sphere, so this is 360. So I just want to do just a quick shot. I think I just do the cycle shot, but I'll have to put my drone a bit higher and a bit back because of the trees here. So I have to take it back a bit and up. Yeah, like that. Then I spot myself there. So just show myself there. So it's going to rotate from there.
3,
So when I click start,
2, 1.
then it's going to rotate from where I'm standing. The first obstacle is the trees. So there are a lot of coconut trees here. Just hope that doesn't catch. So I'm going to stop there because there's a coconut tree. It cannot go cycle there. So first obstacle is the trees, so you have to avoid that one. So I cancel the cycle shot. I'm going to choose another shot because that's a bit dangerous. So I'll use the rocket shot. So this is a bit easier and it's safer for according to my environment. So where I am, I'm going to bring it down. Then rotate the gimbal from where I am. Yeah. So it's 30%. So I'm going to reduce it a bit from where I am. So just click myself there, and then click the rocket shot. So yeah, 37. The battery is 37%. Only one bar left. Let me just try
3,
fast.
2, 1.
That's the rocket shot. So it's going up. I'm looking at it because I'm fearing of the trees. So that's the rocket shot. The tree is just nearby. So I'm afraid of taking it a bit high. So that's the rocket shot. 34%. Let me see if I can do the other shot. So let me do this drone. So this is just an example. Let me just see if I can also do it. Also look at the precautions. The battery is 33%. And look at the trees. Okay, let me
3,
just take it because when it
2,
reaches 20%, I'm going to return the drone
1.
home. That's the drone shot. So it's 31%. So this is my last shot. When the drone comes back, I'm going to land it. Then tomorrow I can do another shots. So just use 4 minutes for the shots. Yeah, that's the drone. So I'm going to land the drone now. land.
Landing.
For safety reasons. Yeah. So we are back. Okay. 60. So we're downloading the 360 shot. Hope the shot was nice. I took the drone to 120 meters high, and the distance also was. I didn't check the distance from the remote control, but I think it was also 120, something like that, because I wasn't so far. So this is my 360 shot. Let's play it. So this is the planet mode. Wow, so amazing. It's a bit different from the other one because this went a bit high. So I'm still trying to learn how to shoot this. I want to check more tutorials because this is my first day shooting this type of mode, and I want to check how I can take from low ground, from 100 meters, take me above. So I don't know how to do that yet. So I'm still learning. Though if you like the video, you can subscribe for more tutorials later. So yeah, so this is the 360 mode, and also let's check for the other videos that I made. The first video, this was from launching, how I left. I think this was a nice shot that I did. Let me take it a bit. Yeah, so I like to avoid trees because this is the only drone I have and I cannot afford another one. So I follow all the precautions well, and I make sure that everything is okay. Yeah. So this is the height that I was looking so that I can shoot the 360 mode. Yeah. So this is Mafia Island. It's a very nice place. So this is the shots. I was trying to look for a nice shot that I can use for the advertising and what. So nice, so smooth. So let me check other videos like this for the rotation. I wanted to do the quick shot. So the obstacle was these trees. I was afraid that it could hit one of the trees when it coming back. I had to stop it. This one is for the rocket shot. Yeah, I hope that went quite well. Yeah, it was so smooth and nice. Yeah, and then we had this drone shot. Then this security guy came, also appeared on the shot. So guys, if I hope you like this video. I'll produce more videos every day, so please, you can share my videos if you like them. You can subscribe on my channel. Yeah, so my channel is you just go to YouTube, to just open for YouTube, open YouTube, and then you come to, because my name is Akim Charlie, or you just type Akim Charlie and then bracket Spotlight Estates, so you find the video. Because I'm offline, that's why it's showing no connection. So when you go online, you can just click Akim Charlie Spotlight Estates, and then you find my account. Thank you guys for watching.